once again, no, because of this one, no, from November 25, 2014, by which with this one, no, the Wikipedia, the copyrights, known also as encyclopedia from the past, no, because of the electronic millennium. Episode number 3, helping my neighbors. Wikipedia, electronic millennium. Year 2000, ready and sciencestage.com, no, Heart is Pure Care. Wikipedia, muna yung nakangan dito sa Wikipedia, no, Heart is Pure Care. There, no, so volume 10, muna siya encyclopedia, no, Compton's encyclopedia, by which here, no, England, Francaise, Japanese, Dutch, Spanish, there, Dutch, German, Polish, Italiano, Portuguese, and Swedish. Again, Swedish, there you are, whole world, no? Again, Wikipedia of the Britannia, Wikipedia of French Encyclopedia, by which my boss po, no, my wife, Miss Donna Cruz, have also a Wikipedia by which popular song, the Kapag Tumibok ang Puso, no? Like then, first po siya nga history sa Philippines, nga naka-finish of full marathon, that's 42 kilometers and 195 meters, by which I am the one coaching them. Then I based that study and research and Dr. Konski from the Boston Marathon, yeah. So here, my boss, Susan, the owner of YouTube, Google, Larry Page, no. Again, gipalit ni Larry Page ang stocks ni Susan. So muna siya chairman of the board. Virgin Galactic, by which nakasabang ni si Richard Branson, by which na-educate ang akong mga countrymen, no. Nito una hantod karon, number 1 lang yapon sila. Si Mark Zuckerberg init, no. Okay ra? Mark Zuckerberg, diya po ko di punin ako siya wadon kay diha ko ni una og upload, no, sa kanya ko ang management, by which nga starting July 2013. And then more po ni the only nga di mohatag og income, no. Again, discoverer of Yahoo, Ming, no, Ling, something forget, yeah. So here the Microsoft, Bill Gates, yeah. Again, so here's the Heart is Pure Care. Then the environment helping. Then today is about Cebu, Philippines. There, no, again, bati kay di ko ala ko pitsinyo, no, by which nga I'm not og sa London palagi ni mamatay mga ilham mga animals, mga kabayo, mga unsa pa diha mo absent na, no, mo absent na sa ilang work, ana kangingig dito sa British, no. So sa PayPal there, no, again nagina, no, Bank of Commerce, how many times again. So PayPal CEO isuwat pa ko nimo 3 weeks taon, no, there again last week. So the oldest pagin na to nga sulti nimo. So here PayPal, no, again wa lagi tayo magamit sa Christmas, no, again. So you have this one, no, by which I don't have that one, yeah. Maybe for me my assessment in your company is about you're not poor people's friendly, no, you're not poor people's friendly, by which, no, Visa card, Mastercard, Discover, o Bank Express nga I don't have like that because I'm poor, no. Mao lagi to nga inuslan pagay na nato ang atong gi-open na ng account, by which kini sa Freedom nga delayed na nilang payment kay by which nga wa ko ka-open og bangko nya karon na ka-open huwa na po, no. Again, pwede na nato my link o other payments or 7 with companies there waiting. Western Union there, then the bank transfer, no, willing to help us, no. Mark assessment by people not poor friendly for me, no. Again, harapan talang ni, no, verification card 3 digits. I'm sorry for being honest, yeah. So again, sakit ikay, no. First meeting for forum number 1, no, payment of link to your monthly payment at my lifetime income, no, money of payment, no. Attention to all my boss, no, 8 kabo companies, the Facebook, the YouTube, the Google, the Freedom, the Film Section, the Zoom In, the TV, YT Gamers, and Rick Studios, no. So again, Bank of Commerce, duha pa, again. So dili lang ikaw, no, mo lagi na this is lifetime and monthly, no. So again, Film Section 70% shares atong akano, no, here again. Again sa Freedom mo ni mo makita, 60% base revenue share can grow to 110%. We enable revenue visibility for everyone, full transparency, no lock-in, forever can live anything, no. Again, from the Freedom, there you are, no. Mo ni sila ni bayad na una, dili na nimo maklik diri sa Pilipinas, by which pabayra na dito, no. Okay, katong sa G, katong Rick Studio. Okay, this is the Rick Studio also, which helping us, no. So again, here pabayra na po, no. Again, pabayra na. Huge savings, don't have to miss there. Again, so GoDaddy there, no. Again, Rick Studio there. Again, Rick Studio the TV. Again, dili na nimo makita itong video by which pabayran. And then daw katong isa, Zoom In, the number 1, no. Here, i-click ninyo kung ano, about us. No, i-educate mo. I-educate mo, especially for the people, no? Gamay ra kong gihangyo. While nagdaga na dong, here, no? Again, about us. Okay? About us, there you are, no? From zoom in. So here, again, about us there. Europe, okay, here. Okay, there you know. So Europe, #1 online video news or network, no? Okay, here. Europe, #1, there. Video news network. There, no? May company by which in Amsterdam, no? Zoomin.tv. There you are, no? Again, Amsterdam, ang ilang office. Barcelona, Dasort. Brazil, Buenos Aires. London, Sao Paulo, Madrid, ang Paris, no? Again, dong niya, ibutan to sa search dong, Hearty Satina ko, no? Be? Search ka lang sa, diya, oh.
YouTube.
Dili, kani, sa zoom in.
Search mo siguro.
Labaw. Yan, na-search, no? Here, i-type na to sa zoom in. Hearty Satina. Again, muhatag sila 70% share, no? Monthly and lifetime. Again, oops, couldn't find you're looking for, no? Oops, couldn't find you're looking for. Here are some useful links, no? YouTube, video content, product series about us, no? Again, so here, again, mo na, dili mo, ihatag na, by which, gibayran na ninyo, no? Gisale na nila dito, by which, tatuwa laging website, no? Worldwide. So here, again, Asia, there, no? United States, then Asia, there's South America, then Europe, no? Again, it's up to you, no? So here the link, no? So account, permission, freedom, Facebook, and zoom in the TV, freedom Yahoo, no? Again, so here, so the time is about 19 minutes and 43 hot packs and tense, yeah? By which to vasodilate the arteries and to relieve the tension and the tightness of the muscles and to also faster recovery. Why is it? Because vasodilation ang init, no? Vasodilation ang init. Please follow this one lagi. Kay, uy, mubasket na ninig ka. Ayo, no? Mubasket na ninig ka 6 weeks, January 5. Yuga na to, no? So again, the scientists and inventors, no? As scientists, so here, is all the scientists, no? Morning, research na to, morning, tay gasto. Karon wala naman tayo kwarta, by which may stop sa siguro research, no? Again, kato ka sorbito, I don't know,